Guys, Google's Gemini 2.0 is scarily amazing. It can see your screen, it can tell you what you're doing wrong, or if you just want to like do any sort of like task on your computer, it can guide you like how to do that, and then it can like give you live assistance. It's like you have someone like a computer expert with you, or maybe if you're like if you want to fix a code on your computer, it will guide you like how to fix that live in real time. Let's just do it right now. So if you just come to this link aistudio.google.com, just come here, sign up, simply just sign up, and then you will be here, and then click on stream real time. From left, just click on the stream real time, and then here you can simply talk to Gemini. I mean, that's old, we have done that on ChatGPT. Show Gemini or share your screen. So let's just do the share your screen. I know like show Gemini, I mean it can see objects, but the most interactive and most interesting part is actually share your screen. So let me just share my screen. So it will ask entire screen. All right. Hi Gemini, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Is there anything you'd like me to focus on?
I'm actually working on a Next.js project in Cursor. Are you familiar with Cursor?
Okay, so you're working on a Next.js project in Cursor.
Yep.
And you're asking, okay, is there anything specific about Cursor or your Next?
All right, can you see my screen
project
now?
that you... Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you're in a code editor. Are you having an issue with the code?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually on this class. Can you see which code file I have opened right now? And can you just tell me where is the error in this file?
Okay, I see the page. TSX file open in your code editor. You're asking me to identify where the error is in this file. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take a look at the code. I see an image tag at line 7. It has attributes src and alt, but it also has height and width set as a number. Is this causing an error?
I don't think so. Well, yeah, I mean,
okay, can you tell me
the
more
error,
about the
I think the error seems like inside this in the, I mean, you have got it right, but I don't know like what change to make in here. So let me just show you what problems it is showing. So just look at my terminal right now in problem section, and then see what problem it is showing. What do I need to fix here on my code inside my code editor?
Okay, I see that you have the problems tab open, and there are several errors listed. The first one says /JSX element main has no corresponding closing tag. It looks like you need to add a closing tag for your less than main greater than element, which is on line 7. You can fix other errors related to missing closing tags for the JSX elements code, lisses, and BR, as well as a possible typo with BR/OO. Did I understand that correctly?
Yes. But can you tell me which line should I go to? Where should I make this change? I have no idea how to write code. I don't know anything about Next.js. So I'm completely relying on you, man.
Okay, I understand. Let's break it down. The first error in the problems tab tells you that the backquote less than main greater than backquote element on line 7 is missing a closing tag. That means you need to add backquote less than / main greater than backquote after the content of the main element, somewhere around line 23. Are you able to add the tag there?
Yeah, you have got it right, but it's actually not on 23. If it's on line number 20. So there is a code. If I just put it back, and you see, can you see? Did it change something?
Yes, I can see that you added the closing backquote less than / code backquote tag, and the errors in the problems tab are now gone.
Wow.
Is there anything else?
Okay, I really need to like create a new page on here inside my Next.js directory. Do you have any idea how does Next.js directories work? How does routing work in Next.js? I mean, please just give me a detailed guide.
Okay, it sounds like you want to create a new page in your Next.js project, and you're not sure how the directory structure works and how routing works. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, in Next.js, pages are typically created inside the !app directory. To create a new page, you would create a new folder inside the _app directory, and then add a _page.tsx or _page.jsx file inside that folder.
Okay, hold on,
The
hold
name
on,
of the
hold on. Let's just go step
Okay.
by step. Let's just go step by step. So you have told me to create a new folder. So I'll just create a new folder inside backward app. So let me just create a new folder /app. I'll just create a new folder. I'll call it home. Okay. Yeah, I think. Oh, I think it expired or something went wrong. Maybe. Let's try to start a new stream. Okay. Let's just do a new stream. I'm really loving it, seriously. Oh, hi. Can you see my
Okay,
screen?
let's start a new stream. It sounds like you're having a lot of fun with it, which is great. What kind of stream are you thinking of doing?
So I'm actually trying to create a new. I have this Next.js application. Can you see my screen? Can you see my Next.js application, my Next.js project?
Yes, I can see your screen and your Next.js project. It looks like you have several files in your project directory. Is there anything in particular you'd like to focus on?
Yeah, I'm actually looking to create a new page inside my. I have no idea. Look, to be honest, I have no idea how does Next.js work. I have no idea how coding works. So I have no idea how does routing in Next.js work. Can you please just give me a detailed guide? I need to create a new page. This page name is home. How can I create a new page in my this project directory?
Okay, I see you want to create a new page in your Next.js project, specifically one named Home, and you're looking for a detailed guide. I can definitely help with that. To start, do you know where the pages are stored in your project?
No, I don't know. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can still see your screen. Your pages are located inside the src directory, then under the app directory.
I can see it now. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, I can see your cursor.
Oh,
It's
okay.
currently hovering.
What should I do here now? Tell me just what should I do here?
Okay, now that you've located the app directory, you should create a new folder inside called Home. This will be the directory for your new home page.
Should I make H capital for this home? As I told you, I have no idea about Next.js.
It's up to you whether you want to use a capital H for the folder name.
Okay.
Both home and home are valid folder names, but it's common practice to use lowercase for folder and file names in web development.
But right where it says a file or folder, home already exists in this location. Pieces are different. So I think, can you see what's wrong in here? Is there a file in there? I think named home. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see that you already have a folder named Home inside the app directory.
I'm going to
This is
delete
why-
that. I'm going to delete that. So I'm actually, as you
Okay,
as you
it seems like
advised
you're
me,
trying to delete the home folder. Is that right?
I am now creating a new folder which is called home. This folder is inside src/app/home. Tell me what do I need to do next? Okay, it's expired. All right, I think that before I run out of my credits, let's just end it here. But this is just like, this is amazing. I mean, I'm loving it, seriously. So most of the times, I mean, look at the use cases now. I am actually blushing right now. Look at the use cases now. Imagine like all the entire software guides we can like build. Let's suppose if you're launching a new software, or if you're like using some complex software, so rather than having a dedicated human resource who will just like maybe go on site, or maybe like spend hours and hours on Zoom to guide you, click on this button, click on that button, this can actually be a revolutionary instructor, just like to use any software, like learn any software. I mean, my goodness, this is scary. This is scary, but I'm excited. I think we can build so much in using this. I think I'm not sure if Google will actually put this give us access for the API. I think we can actually create an API. So let's start building something. Let's use SaaS starter kit and start building some like very micro niche projects about some like maybe softwares in medicine, softwares in in I don't know, aerospace. I'm just like naming random, but I'm excited right now. This can be a really good tutor, like a really good tutor. But yeah, I mean there's a lot of opportunities in this space, and this is scarily amazing, and I'm loving it. Just share your ideas in comments, and let's just build something together. Literally, let's just build something together. If you want to build something, let's just like together. Let's build something. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. I see you next video. Bye bye.